In this video, we will talk about Outlook groups. Outlook group is different from an Outlook contact group, formerly known as a distribution list. I have a separate video on the distribution list. You will find the link to this video in the description. Let's talk about groups. Microsoft Outlook Group is a feature that helps teams work together more efficiently. It offers a shared email address like dynamicmarketers@yourcompany.com, a calendar, file storage, and a notebook for notes. For example, if a team is working on a project, they can use their group to email everyone at once, share important documents, plan meetings that everyone can see, and keep notes in one place. First, I'll create a group. To do that, I'll open the contact section. Here I can see the new group option. You will have this option when you have a Microsoft 365 subscription. With the free Outlook emails, you will not have this option. Here, I'll create a name for the group, Dynamic Marketers. When I add a name for the group, it creates an email address for the group. I can change the email address for the group here. I'll add a hyphen between the words. This email address is for the group only. You cannot log into this email. It doesn't have a password. And for this group email address, Microsoft will not charge your account. It is free to use. You need to ensure it doesn't conflict with any other email address under the domain. Now, I'll add a description for the group. The sensitivity option is disabled here because this option is disabled for my Microsoft 365 account. Under privacy, I will keep the group private, so only the group member can see the activities of the group. If you keep it public, everyone in the organization can view the activities of the group. I do not want to send the group events to the private inboxes of the members. It will keep their inboxes clutter-free, so I'll uncheck this option. Now, let's create the group. Now, I need to add members to the group. First, I'll add an internal user to the group. After adding the email address, I'll hit the enter button and I'll select the contact here. Now, I'll add an external user to the group. This person does not have the same company email. I can add him to the group. I have two members now. I'll click on the add members button. It shows the success message. I can add more members later. This is the other person's email inbox. This person received a notification for the group, how to use the group and all. And this is the inbox of the Gmail account I added to the group. Since this is an external user, it will have limited access to the group. So it's better to have all the members' internal email addresses with the company domain. If you are using the web version of Outlook, you will see the all groups in the groups tab here. Since the Outlook group offers many other features than email communication, I will need to use the Outlook on a browser to access all the features. I will use two browsers to check the functions. I have a Google Chrome browser with the main account and the other account is logged in on this Microsoft Edge browser. Let's try sending an email. I'll click on the new email and here in the recipient box, I will type the group's email. And here's the email, Dynamic Marketers. I'll send this. And you see this person has received the email in the group only, not in the inbox. Now I will add a file to the group. All the group members in the group can access the files. To add and manage files, I need to go to the Files tab here. Currently, I do not have any files, so I'll upload a new file here. I added a photo to the group and here's the file. I can see the same file with the other email account here. This is the file. This way, everything between the group members will be shared. You do not need to send the files to each of the members separately. Now I will upload a Microsoft Word document here. If you add an Office document like Microsoft Word or Excel, it opens the file with the Office Online. All the members of the group can collaborate with this file. Like I can edit the file and the other members can see the edits. New edit and I'll go to the other account here. I'll refresh this page. Here I see the file. When I open the file here, I can collaborate with this document. And here you can see the other person is working here. And I can create a new line anywhere. Edit by person 2 And when I go here, I can see the other person is working here. So it is good for the collaboration between the multiple members. Now I will create a new event in the group. When I'm in the events tab, I see the option to create events. You see new events. I'll add a new event here. I can select a different date and different time, and here I can turn on the Teams meeting option if I want to host a Teams meeting for the event. Now I'll save the event here. And here you see the newly created event. If I open the other person's inbox, under the events tab, I can see the same event. So I do not need to invite all the members separately. I can just create an event and everyone can join the event from their events tab. Here you see the notebook option. It also has a planner and the site feature for the group. I'll create a new notebook for the group. It creates a new blank notebook for the group. I'll add some data to this notebook. I created a section. Now I need to add some data here, and I can add anything as a note. All the other person can open their notebook and view all the notes created by any of the members in the group. Now let's try the planner. When I open the planner, it creates a new planner for the dynamic marketers group. I can add tasks here. So I'll add a new task and I can set a due date 27 and assign it to a person in the group. And I added this to the other person, and when I go to the other person inbox and open the planner, I can see the task here and it is assigned to this person. To group all the tasks by the member, you can click on this group by bucket option and click on assign to. It will create groups for all the persons with their tasks. Currently I only have one task and it is assigned to this user, so I can see this. This is how the group for Microsoft 365 works. You can play with it and design the workflow in the way you like. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.